Welcome friends to Literature Mantra. Today's topic of discussion is Celtic Twilight. Now, what was the Celtic Twilight or Celtic Revival? Who were the major writers? And what are the possible questions in net that you can expect from Celtic Twilight? Let's find out. I would like to start with a question from this topic of Celtic Twilight. Who used the pseudonym AE? We will discuss the answer at the end of the video. In case you know the answer, please write down your answer in the comment section below. Now, what was Celtic Twilight? Celtic Twilight basically refers to a revival of interest in Celtic culture, Irish culture or Irish literature, and Gaelic literature or Gaelic culture. Broadly, this is what Celtic Twilight refers to. Now, the dates are from 1880 to 1939. So 1939 basically coincides with the death of W.B. Yeats, and W.B. Yeats is also the greatest figures in the Celtic Twilight. And another thing is, Celtic Twilight also induced a remarkably creative period in Irish literature. So a lot of literature was produced by Irish writers, and the aim was to draw upon Irish history, legend and folklore to create a distinctive national culture. Now, who are the major writers associated with the Celtic Twilight or Celtic Revival? The first one is W.B. Yeats, the second is George Russell, then Oliver Gogarty, then Lady Gregory, J.M. Synge, Sean O'Casey, George Moore, James Stephens and James Joyce. Of course, there are other writers as well, but these are some of the major writers associated with the Celtic Twilight. Now, what are the possible questions that you can get in net? Now, one question can be, who has written the Celtic Twilight? This is a very simple question and you should know the answer. Now, was it Lady Gregory, James Synge, W.B. Yeats, James Joyce? The answer is W.B. Yeats. Basically, the Celtic Twilight is also a volume of essays which W.B. Yeats wrote. Another question can be, who used the pseudonym AE? Was it E.M. Forster? Was it George Russell? Was it W.B. Yeats or Lady Gregory? The correct answer is George Russell. So George Russell was the one who used this pseudonym AE. What are the other questions that you can expect from this topic in net? Now, other questions can be just related to the works of the major writers. For example, the works of W.B. Yeats or the works of James Synge or Sean O'Casey or James Joyce, Lady Gregory. So do have a look at the major works of these writers, major works of major writers belonging to the Celtic Twilight. So this is broadly how you should deal with the Celtic Twilight for net. I am Professor Singh and I'll see you in the next video.